Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Summer is approaching quickly, which means warmer days and an increased risk of dehydration. The intense heat calls for more water consumption, but plain H2O can bore the palate. When you're on the vegan diet, water is the ultimate hydrating beverage, and you can enhance it by making detox waters. Today, we're going to be covering the detox waters and spicing up your vegan diet. Let's dive into the lesson. What are detox waters? Detox waters are easy to make because all you have to do is include a variety of fruits, herbs, or vegetables in your water. Not only do these ingredients add refreshing flavors to your water, but they can also assist with fat burning and toxin elimination. Think of detox waters as a simpler version of homemade juices or smoothies without all the prep work. You still reap the benefits of the ingredients in the water. Additionally, people are more inclined to drink water that has a flavor as opposed to regular water. If a slimmer body is your summer goal and you want to stay true to the vegan diet, the best gift you can give yourself is a series of detox water recipes. During warmer weather, people tend to eat less and sweat more. That's great news if you want to lose weight. You do, however, have to replenish electrolytes you lose via sweat. Add the following detox waters to your summer weight loss regimen, and you can emerge a slimmer, healthier version of yourself. Green apple, cucumber, and mint detox water. All of the ingredients in this detox water have a common denominator. They're all green. Mint is a natural breath freshener and aids with digestion. Cucumbers enhance hydration and contain antioxidants that may reduce the risk of heart disease. Apples are rich in fiber, and the minerals may work to enhance metabolism. In a pitcher, combine half a cucumber thinly sliced, half of an apple thinly sliced, and a handful of mint. Fill with water and refrigerate for a couple hours before serving. Lemon blueberry detox water. Besides being one of the most beautiful detox waters on this list, this lemon blueberry detox water is rich in antioxidants. According to several studies, blueberries may help to improve memory, fight urinary tract infections, and reduce overall cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Both blueberries and lemons are naturally rich in vitamin C, which can enhance immune function. Pomegranate, mint, and lemon detox water. There isn't a negative thing to say about the ingredients in this detox water. Pomegranates have been known to decrease the risk of joint pain, heart disease, and certain cancers. Many studies attribute these abilities to the antioxidants. Lemon is the most used fruit during summer, and it has been known to boost weight loss efforts. The vitamin C also works to rejuvenate the skin. Similarly, mint also contributes to healthier skin, and it may act as a stimulant for those who experience depression. Pour 2 liters of water into a large pitcher. Add in about 1 cup of pomegranate earls, the juice of half a lemon, then add in the half you juiced, and a handful of mint. Refrigerate this for a couple hours and then serve. Apple cinnamon detox water. This classic dessert duo does more than make apple pie delicious. Cinnamon works to naturally boost metabolism and enhance your body's fat burning power. Apples are rich in fiber, which may assist with improving digestion. Additionally, apples are low in fat and can help alleviate breathing troubles for asthmatics. To make this detox water, add half of an apple, thinly sliced, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to 24 ounces of purified water. You can add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the mix if you want to boost the fat-burning benefits. Just like the other recipes, refrigerate this mixture for a couple hours before serving. It works best if you drink this in the morning. Detox waters are a great way to stay hydrated while maintaining your vegan diet. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.